Okay, so this is the Earth Viewer website. When you hit Launch Interactive, you'll get a screen that talks about just the interactive. You can hit Dismiss. You are the Proterozoic Eon, so you want to hit down here where it says Ancient Earth. See all of these kind of slide up and down when you click on them? So you want to go to Ancient Earth. And then here's the Proterozoic Eon. Now, if you take this little silver slide, you can watch the land masses move. So if we start here right at the beginning of the Proterozoic Eon, you can click and drag. There are your land masses, and right now they're really just rock. Please disregard the song in the background. Volcanic rock from volcanoes finally reaching above the water level. And then when you scroll up, there's an ice age. When you come out of the ice age, there's your land masses again. And they've started to break apart. And then if you go slowly, you can see them, watch them move a little bit better. You know, at this point in the Paleoproterozoic, they've kind of started to migrate all the way above the equator toward the North Pole. Here they're moving again. They've split apart. Here they're moving and kind of spanning the globe. You know, you can drag it as quickly or slowly as you want. You're in the Mesoproterozoic at this time. You can kind of scroll around and see they are all still clustered together. Then they move and shift. Now, right here at the line between the Mesoproterozoic and the Neoproterozoic, you can see that green. You start to get some actual plant life. Okay, they do span the globe again. Got two huge land masses. They kind of stay there for a long time. You got another global ice age. They call that snowball Earth. Toward the end of the Proterozoic, you can really see that you've got a differentiation between land and sea and ocean. So, you know, that's what I'm talking about as far as land masses. You'd want to talk about how it begins with land masses as just volcanic rock above the water. Then they kind of all split apart and move all over the globe, staying pretty concentrated together. But then eventually toward the end of the Proterozoic, you get green land. You get plant life on it. And you hear some more volcanic islands showing up. And then probably what's dictating the end of the Proterozoic Eon is that you're really getting into life. Life is moving on to land. And you can see, like right here, it says Honolulu. That's because you have the cities. So these are modern cities marked on this ancient map. Like there's LA down there, Chicago, New York, Lima, Toronto. So it's kind of cool. You click and drag it around. Nairobi, Rio de Janeiro. All right, just to give you an idea of where these moderns, Paris is all underwater. So is Cairo. All right, so that's how you're going to find out where the land masses were and where they went. Okay? I don't need you to tell me specifically this is Africa, this is North America. I need you to tell me about how clusters of land, of rock, move around and finally change into something that looks like livable land. All right, thank you.